Hello, today I'm going to go through the new textures in PCS Fx, and I think I'm going to remove myself from the picture here so you can just look at the effects and not look at me. If we click on textures, we see quite a few of them, so we'll go through the left side first and then we'll do another video if it's not going to take too long on the right side. I'm going to try to go fairly quickly. I'm not going to do any compounding, just take this image that was generated from a custom prompt and then see what happens when you add these particular textures. So here's accretion. I think because it took a while, I'm gonna fast forward all the other ones so you don't have to wait for it. And so as you can see, it's not instantaneous, but it does generate pretty incredible images. This is what accretion did with this particular image. Next one is aureole. If I pronounce some of these things incorrectly, my apologies. It's just something I picked from another source and I liked the way it looked and I thought I'd use it. This is, I'm assuming, is chiaroscuro. And here comes damask. Then we have diaphanous. Next one is called halation. And then we have irradiance. Next is noctilucent. And now we have two more, and that's phosphorescence. And finally we have striated or striated, something like that. That's the last one of the first half of textures. It looks pretty cool. And that's the first 10. One of the new features that has been added is the ability to save these in combos as GIFs. So there's an option here called Save as Animated GIF, which is what we're going to do. So we're going to go ahead and select the first 10, which is number 7 here. So that's the first 10 textures right there. All of them are selected. If we select all 10 of them and then we click Run, also we're going to keep this checkbox on, not only to create animated GIF, but also evolve, which means each result is going to swap with the original. So it's going to be a compound effect, the way it generates the final results. I want to show you how that works. I'm going to go ahead and start it. And then I'm going to simply wait until it gets done. As you can see, it's saying processing 1 of 10. And I'll be back when all 10 finished. Okay, so I think it's done. Let's look at the final result. In that particular instant, it changed dramatically. So the rest of them basically became very different. Watch it again. So that's what the animated GIF looks like at the end of generation. And that's all 10 effects. We'll do the other 10 in the next video. Thank you.